Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelechi Okori and I'm a Canva expert. I know it's been long that I dropped a tutorial here, but I'm making up for that with this tutorial. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this attractive design with Canva. And please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do that now and turn on post notifications so you can be notified when I upload another tutorial. So now let's jump right into the tutorial. I'm going to now the dimensions I used for this design was 3000 by 4000. As you can see here, the width is 3000 and the height is 4000. So let's go. Let's go. So I'll go to elements and go over to frames. Okay, what frames? Now, I use letter frames mostly for this design, but please stick with me to the end so you're going to see other tips that I might be sharing much later. So I'll search for letter S first under frames. I'm going to use this one, reduce it, search for letter T. This particular one is the one I'm using, and search for letter Y. It's Y. And this is it. I'm going to bring it over here, reduce the size, search for letter L, and this is it. And then the final letter for this particular word it's letter E, and this is letter E. So we have our style. So I'm gonna sorry. Okay. So E just ran away. Let's bring him back. This is letter E. I'm gonna reduce it. So we have S T Y L E. Now we're going to make sure the spacings are equal. So this one, this 40, 40, and 40. So the spacing are all equal. I'm going to reduce the size a bit. Okay, so we have style. Now the next one, let's say U. Let's go to confirm something. Sorry. And then P. So now we have style up. We have style up. So I'm going to make sure the spacing are equal. Okay. Style up. I think it's too close. And then we can adjust that later. Right. Just to confirm. Okay. Oh. And we are good to go. Now, the image I used was from Canvas gallery, of course. I just searched for, I think, fashion models. Yep. I can still find the particular image under recently used. So this is the image I used. It's actually a pro image. So if you don't have a pro account, you'll not be able to use this image. But you can check on an external website like Pexels, Unsplash, or Pixabay, and hopefully you might get to see this image. But if not, you can just subscribe to a pro version and use it. I'm going to drag this here, drag this here. No, let's start with this one. Double click on it so I can adjust the image right inside the frame. If you notice, you can see the way I am measuring it. So that's for the first one. I'm going to drag the second one. Just watch carefully how I'm measuring it. Then I'm going to drag this over here at the bottom of this. Do that for letter Y. Bring it over. I'm going to drag it drag it, bring it here. Oops. Let me just confirm. Yep, increase it a bit. And then move over to letter T. Do the same thing, measure it carefully so it's going to look well placed. I'm going to drag it and place it here. And then we have letter S. Watch it carefully. Yes, so we have completed STYLE. Now let's move over to letter U and hope. Same for P. Make sure. Yes, so we have style up. Now we're not done. I'm going to reduce this a bit, place it. You can use those smart guides to make sure that it's placed directly in the middle. Now the next thing I did, this was not the end of it, obviously you can see it here. I'll go to elements, search for under frames. Yes, this is the particular frame I used, this one. Middle. Then change this to white. Head over to pattern. Okay, upload, sorry. Okay, patterns, and then I drag this pattern. Where is the particular pattern I used? It's yes, this one. Take it to the back, and then reduce the transparency to 7. Yes. We are not done. There's still some other things to do. Forgot to add. Then style up makeup festival. The text was make up festival, and the text was Bryce, which is this one. Make it bold. And then 72. Increase the letter spacing. Yep, I hope I'm getting it right. Yes, it is. So style up makeup festival. I'm gonna just lock this and place this in the middle. Trying to finish this very fast because I know some of you are busy people and you have other things to do. So I'm trying to finish it so you can get back to what you were doing. Okay, so style up makeup festival. The next thing I did was I added style, STYLE, and the font was taken by Vulture, and the size of that font, this is looking, just increase this because there's no way this will be okay. Then reduce the transparency. I think it's this. Take it all the way to the back. Reduce the transparency to say 5. So we are almost done. We're not done, but we're almost done. So reduce this. Reduce this. Then the background. Over to photos, move this to the background. To the back, change this to white. It's looking weird. Bring it to the front. I'm just going to adjust this properly. It's not. Trying to make sure it's at the middle. Okay. Yes. Then I'm going to move this over here. Okay, we are almost done. What's left will be to add elements. I'm going to add frames, circular frames, which is this. Then I'm going to add this image. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Add this image here. Bring it here. Reduce the size. Reduce the size a whole lot. Then go back to elements, add circle. Change the color to white. Then bring it over here. Increase the size so I can check if it fits perfectly. And yes, it does fit perfectly. So I'm going to duplicate this. I think this side is okay. Yep, it's okay. Cool. Too far apart. We are almost done, just a little bit more. And then we're going to use shadow. Go over to, I saved it somewhere, this folder, to bring it down. Where are you? Okay, I copied it from somewhere, a previous design, but this is the particular shadow effect I used. Use the transparency to 50, and then place it just below backwards to give it that depth. Duplicate this and do the same here. Then add our time and date. So go over text. I've just copied it. In September. The font was bright. I'm going to increase this so I can do it very, very fast. I think the size of the text was September was 45. Yep, September. Then duplicate this, September 12. I think the size was 100. So we have September 12. Take this one up a bit. So because of time, I'm not going to be too concerned in making it perfect. So we have September 12. Then I'm going to duplicate this September, bring it down here. It's going to be stats. Reduce the size to 35. Duplicate to 12. Oh, it's 1 p.m. Okay, so and that's it. That's the design for done. Style up makeup festival. Oh, I forgot one thing. So come over to grid. Yep, reduce it, reduce it, reduce it. So we're not gonna leave that place empty. Come on, it's gonna feel really bad. That we left. Bring it to the front. Reduce it, reduce it, reduce it. Yep. And then where's our image? Where's our beautiful lady? We want to bring her here. Okay, so let me reduce this. Oops, I already reduced. I already reduced the size. Let's see if it's going to fit. And this is how I arrived at that particular design that I just showed you guys minutes ago. And then I added my name. So you can try. So this is great. I'm gonna just reduce this a bit. And yes, we are good to go. So you can attempt this, you can just try it out, just have fun with it. And that's the end of this tutorial. Have fun and bye bye.